What's up guys, welcome to Viral Money Jude channel and welcome to another video. This company currently is looking for over 1,000 persons. All right, they are actively hiring. In fact, I am currently working with this project on Micro One. I previously could not disclose this project because of the non-disclosure agreement, but I think right now it's currently open to the public, so I can tell you guys basically everything you need to know about this project. Now, I would advise you to watch this video to the end because most of you always have that issue of not watching videos to the end, and at the end of the day you miss very important information that would probably help your application process and even give you an opportunity to get hired. So basically in this project, you're basically going to be carrying out home activities. Okay, the normal activities you do on a day-to-day basis, where you iron clothes, you fold clothes, you clean your table, you dust your table, you mop the floor, you clean your bedroom tubs and all these things. Okay, you wash the kitchen plates, you arrange the kitchen plates, and so many of these things you do on a normal day-to-day basis. So guys, like I said, I've been on this opportunity and I've been able to successfully make over $115, although I've not been active on this project because I have other projects I've been working on, and you can see the date, which is 23rd December 2025, which was just last month. So this opportunity is very great. They are offering over $6 per hour, okay, to jump into this, and it's a very good opportunity, especially if you're looking to train AI bots. All right, you're looking to train robotics, you can offer this data and you get compensated for it. So you can see there is a fixed rate for this. All right, about $6 per hour. So I would advise you to jump into this, especially if you have an iPhone, you have a Samsung, you have a good phone with a good camera, then apply for this. So I told you the link will be in the comment section. It's going to be pinned. Please check it out. What you just need to do is put in your name, your first name, okay, and your email. Then you put your Nigerian phone number. Now, where everyone do get issues or newbies get issues is having a LinkedIn profile and also uploading their CV. So like I said, I'll be dropping a CV template in our WhatsApp channel, so make sure to join the channel via the link in the bio. Then for the LinkedIn profile, you have to get a LinkedIn account. All right, try to get a LinkedIn account, or you could just write this. Okay, simply just write this. You can see what I'm showing on my screen. Simply just put this. Okay, simply just put this. Okay, and then you just write your name. So just write your name. I'm just giving you a template what you can use. Okay, so let's say your name is Adam. Okay, maybe Adam, whatever it is, maybe Damilola. All right, so you can see you can just do this for formality's sake so that you can bypass this and then just upload your CV and hit on the next button. So they would send you an email and then you read the instructions in the email and proceed with your application. You're going to do an interview, so also make sure to pass that interview, please. All right, very, very important, so that you'll be able to get into this opportunity. Now, if you join my Telegram group or the WhatsApp channel via the link in the comment section or the description channel, I'm going to be sending a CV template that I have been using, okay, for most of my application process. So what you need to do to that CV is basically change the name, change the emails, change the phone numbers, change the university, change the experience, and so many other things to your own expertise. Now, they are actually, like I said, this role is open to over 1,000 persons, so I will advise you to jump in as quickly as possible. Now, if you stick to the end of this video, I would also be sharing with you guys 2 more opportunities where you can find remote jobs. Okay, because the most important thing as a remote job, okay, worker or someone who is interested in finding remote jobs is to get this opportunity promptly. Okay, and you can't get this opportunity if you don't understand where you'll be able to look for opportunities like this. So if we go over to the active job section, all right, and we go over to the all active jobs, you're going to see this job here, which is, you can see over 1,000 opening. They are all the same. You can see daily routine video contributor, home activity participant, house chores documentation assistant, daily routine video assistant. All these jobs are looking for over 1,000 persons. So please try to apply and get into this opportunity. It's going to really worth it. Now I'm going to be sharing with you guys other places where you can find remote job, and one site where you can find this is Brain Trust. All right, it's Brain Trust. The link is in the comment section, like I said, so you can get started. All right, I'll also be dropping application link for a specific project currently hiring on Brain Trust, so you will be able to jump into it. So here on Brain Trust, you can see, you will find out there are a lot of remote jobs here, and they are hiring from anywhere in the world. See, you can work from anywhere in the world. It's right there. So, and you can see the hours and how much they are giving or offering per hour, $10 to $40 per hour. So here you can find so many of these jobs from different companies. All right, so this is data jobs. Then if we go over to all jobs, you should be able to see this. So guys, make sure you share this video to your friends. You don't know who would be in need of this. A lot of people are out there looking for jobs, looking for opportunities. So make sure you jump into Brain Trust, complete your profile, all right, and apply for jobs. If you can see right now, I have 2 applications currently, technical writer right here, and I also have this English linguistic expert. I'm going to share them in the comment section, so check that also. So guys, like I said, if you don't have an ATM account, I would advise you to get an ATM account. So make sure to also check the link in my bio to get access to this. Okay, once you use my link, you'll be able to get $3, as you can see, and I will also be able to get $3 once you register with my link. ATM is a very good platform. As you can see, I've been using this platform. I've used this platform to buy gift cards, okay, and to sell gift card, and even also to convert my USDT to Naira, and so many other transactions I've been able to carry out on Airtm. Now, like I said, Airtm offers the ability to also look for remote jobs, all right, and even get access to these remote jobs. As you can see, you head over to the end section on Airtm. If you have an Airtm account, if you don't have one, create one, and you're going to see your profile. You make sure you fill your profile detailed. As you can see, my profile is filled with all my professional details, and by the side you're going to see jobs, and when you click on jobs, you're going to see different jobs on the Airtm job section, and you can see, you're also going to see what these jobs are offering per hour, and so many of these updates. You're going to see multiple platforms that are listing remote jobs, AI jobs. You can check them out also on Airtm. So this basically concludes this video. These are the 2 sites that you can get jobs from. All right, you can find here on Airtm, and you can also find here on Brain Trust. So if you don't have an account, check the comment section, click those links, go set up your account, and also don't forget to apply for the home decor role on Micro One. So guys, with that being said, I would see you guys in another video. Wish you guys the best of luck and more opportunities to come.